What's up, y'all? What it do, everybody? What's going down? What's going down, everybody? What's going down, everybody? We're going to talk about gut health. Gut Detox Kit, IBS, Irritable bowel syndrome, constipation, some things that are going on. How's everybody doing? Everybody tapping where they from? Everybody tapping where they from right now. All right, so what we have over here, you guys. So what we have right here is Chelation Plus. All right, this is this cleanses the gut. All right, on an intracellular level. Okay, this is just a little quick overview. This is Lymphatic Plus right there. Now what that's gonna do, it's a great decalcifier. Okay, this is gonna begin to cleanse all stones, calcification out of the body. All right, the Life Tonic that we see right here is an intracellular revitalizer, meaning it's gonna cleanse your body on the cellular structure. The Lymphatic Cleanse Tea, okay, this is going to cleanse your whole lymphatic system, all right, and the Therapeutic Cellular Detox Tea acts as the same as the chelation, okay, meaning the chelate process, what a chelate does, when it goes into your body, it begins to act as a glue-like substance and pull all the mucus and inflammation out of your body. Okay, so now we have to talk about gut health. It's embarrassing and even a little gross, but we must talk about it. It's a problem we've all faced for years, and it's a problem you face too. No matter how healthy you think you are, you aren't. Okay? There's a hidden poison that's always making you sick, sapping your energy, and if you don't stop, it can destroy and even make you sick. This menace is your belly poop. Now, it just isn't any belly poop. This is the old poop that's been in your system and in your intestines for literally months and years because your body has never flushed it out. If you've never been on a detox, then you've never cleansed your body of all this built up fecal matter in your body. Here are some staggering facts. Your body keeps about 4 liters of food in your body, all right? The average human body has about 15 pounds of backed up fecal matter in it, okay, which weighs nearly 8.3 pounds, or excuse me, 15 pounds. But all right, now just think about how much food is really in your body, knowing it takes 12 hours to digest one meal. Usually people who eat the standard American diet, what do? We have breakfast, we have lunch, we have snacks, and we have dinner of high processed foods, right? Of high processed foods that don't begin to break down in the body. Now these foods do what? These foods are high in glucose, right? They're high in gluten. Okay, so what do these things do? Along with the starch, they begin to act as a glue-like substance within the body. Okay, so when this glue-like substance forms in the body, what type of things do we form? Some people may get cancer. Some people may get lung cancer. Some people may get blockages in the stomach. Some people may get prostate cancers. Okay, these different things affect people in different ways. Some people may get diabetes, but it's all built up on gut sickness, backed up fecal matter. Okay, anytime I'm usually healing somebody with a cancer treatment or something, I'm doing a real in-depth cancer treatment or working with them with their tumors, okay, what I notice and what I do is I have to stop all the sugars, the processed foods, the meat and oil products out of the body. The reason for this is because, like I said before, these are what are feeding the tumors. Okay, so now how do we extract these things out of the body? How do we extract these things out of the body? Now, how do we extract these things out of the body? Okay, first, I always recommend a gallon of spring water, all right? If you can fast, if you're humanly possible, if you're able to, I suggest You fast until you see whoever you believe in, whenever the trees are talking to you, basically until ever you see the Most High. Okay? The reason for this is you want to begin to kick out everything in your body that's making you sick. You ever notice naturally when you get sick, what's the first thing that happens? You begin to, usually people throw up or purge their body, right? That's because the body is trying to get rid of whatever's making that person sick at that time. So now, here's some staggering facts about IBS, okay? Irritable bowel syndrome is a disorder characterized by abdominal pain or discomfort and altered bowel habits, chronic or recurrent diarrhea, constipation, or both, either mixed or an alteration. Okay? Approximately 20 to 40% of all visits to the gastrologist are due to IBS. For those with IBS and additional burdens from living in a society where the word bowel may be sacredly spoken, individuals must cope with multiple symptoms that affect their lives. Okay? Those around them may be unaware of the impact or even the existence of this disorder. Okay, not all individuals with IBS seek medical care for their symptoms. Nevertheless, there are between 2.4 and 3.5 million annual visits for IBS in the United States alone. So meaning basically the foods that we are eating, it's proven that it's causing backed up fecal matters. It's causing these sicknesses within the gut. Okay? So this is what we do know right now. Okay? Now it's worldwide. It's estimated that 5 to 10% of the population right now is suffering from IBS. Okay? Now, why would they be suffering from this? Because as the world becomes more, standardized, globalized, right? What have we been doing? We've all been hoarded up. Well, some people, can't say everybody, people have been eating processed foods, meat, sugar, and dairy products a lot, okay? For these are, because it's a standard American diet. If you live in America or in a Western country, basically the food pyramid structure states that the way we eat on a standard level, this is just a standard general level, this is how you will eat. Well, on that standard level, these are the standard health issues that have been proven to come. Okay? So some facts about IBS. Like I said, between 5 to 10% of the population has IBS. Okay? The exact causes are processed food, dehydration, meat, dairy products, heavy oil consumptions, alcohol abuse, drug abuse, stress, and the standard American diet, the SAD diet. Okay? Like I said, symptoms may result from disturbance in the gut, brain, and nervous system. Okay? This can cause changes in normal bowel movements and sensations. Okay? The impact of IBS can range from mild inconvenience to severe debilitation, meaning more like when you're really, really dehydrated, that's when you're going to really have the real debilitating effects. The more dehydration, everything's going to be dried up. It's not going to be able to come out. So what's the first thing we have to do? Hydrate the body. Now you're sitting here and you're looking at all these products. It's like, where is it going with this? Okay, well, all these products right here, these are the things that extract everything out of the body, the 15 pounds of built up fecal matter that are making people sick. Also, at the same time, they're going to remineralize the gut, the cellular structure, and the lymphatic system. Meaning it's going to cleanse your blood, it's going to clean your bowels, it's going to cleanse your lymphatic system, thus provide heavy iron, and thus provide its proper mineral count. Okay, for this is what it's designed to do, guaranteed to work fast and efficiently. Okay, so now treatments for IBS, right? So what do we have here? We have the Gut Detox Kit. So right here, Chelation Plus. Chelation Plus. This is a fast-acting formula that removes masses of toxin, calcification, acid and waste, and mucus from the body. Okay? It strengthens the entire digestive system and intestines and helps flush the colon properly. Okay? So what this is a mixture of sacred bark, papaya seeds, and some other proprietary herbs, okay? Walnut bark or some, okay? That help cleanse and nourish the gut, Okay, what this is going to do, you're going to use this 6 capsules for 5 days, drinking a gallon of spring water with this whole kit. Okay, gallon of spring water. Proper hydration is always important. Always remember the gallon. Say if I'm drinking a gallon today, that gallon is for tomorrow. Okay, main important fact. Okay, so now with this, what this is going to do is going to begin your beginning effects if you have IBS, constipation, and things like this. What this is going to do, you take 6 capsules for 5 days. It's going to begin. You're going to begin to use the bathroom 3 to 9 times a day, guaranteed off that alone. Right now, right here is the Therapeutic Cellular Detox Tea. All right, this blend is compounded to nourish and stabilize the nervous system, right, while cleansing the gut of mucosa and inflammation and backed up fecal matter on the cellular level also. So what this is like chelation in the tea form. So after you take 6 capsules of this, right, you're going to make 1 shot of this, right, make it real strong in about 8 to 12 ounces of water. Then you drink that, follow it up with water. So when these two break down in the body, what do? They begin to break down all the mucosa and mass and inflammations in the bodies. Okay, what it's designed to do. So what is it going to do? If you haven't been using the bathroom, number 2, if you've been constipated, you suffer from IBS and other gut issues, these are the things that are going to begin to loosen the bowel movements in your gut. If you have a healthy gut, these are the first signs and ways of having a healthy body. You have to have a healthy gut to have a healthy body. Okay? So now, with the Therapeutic Cellular Detox, this can rebalance hormones, soothes a healthy mucosal membrane, supports the nervous system, rids the body of mucus and inflammation throughout the body, dissolves mucus buildup within the respiratory system and reproductive system and colon, okay, which allows for 3 to 6 restroom visits a day. So when you use these two in tandem, expect to go 3 to 9 times a day. Always what? Drinking a gallon of water, spring water, every day. Now the Life Tonic, okay, this is an intracellular revitalizer, meaning it's going to cleanse your body, guaranteed on an intracellular level. Look, this alone over the last 2 years has saved over 4,000 people's lives dealing with what we've been dealing with in certain issues. This and BioFerro alone, kids, babies, movie stars, actresses, athletes, you name it. This right here, okay, it's one of the most important compounds for the body. I can guarantee you that. Okay, now what this does is intracellular revitalizer, right? It purifies the entire system due to its powerful antioxidant properties, all right? It's great for fighting colds, fevers, flu, and it has major anti-cancer properties. It helps treat stomach ulcers. It boosts blood circulation, reduces inflammation. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory, all right? It boosts heart health, helps with osteoarthritis, opens the crown chakra, balances the 3rd chakra, reduces muscle pain and soreness, helps with chronic indigestion, boosts the immune system, improves vision, and accelerates healing. All right, optimal directions: 1 to 3 cups a day. Okay, or drink the whole bottle, just depending on how you do. Okay, now the Lymphatic Cleansing Tea. All right, lymphatic system. All right, the lymphatic system is the largest circulatory system in the body. Okay, it serves to cellularly clean out the waste of debris and toxins. Keeping our lymphatic system clean is critical to optimal health and longevity. This alkaline herbs and recipe blend is created to remove what? Calcification from soft tissue throughout the body. Will boost and detoxify the lymphatic system on a cellular level by draining the lymph nodes and regulating fluid while supporting and stimulating many of the eliminatory organs in the body, including the skin, liver, gallbladder, lymph glands, and kidneys. Consume this blend for about a 1 to 2 month period of time throughout the body to fully detox. So now what this gut detox kit does, right? When you take this entire kit, drinking a gallon of spring water every day, this is going to begin to cleanse the entire gut and system on an intracellular level. meaning it's going to cleanse the cells, it's going to cleanse the cellular walls, it's going to cleanse all the fecal matter that's sticking to the walls, okay, from the top, not from the bottom like a suppository. It's actually going to come from the top and begin to work its way down, and it's cleansing the walls, and thus you're still getting your proper mineral balance and cleansing your blood throughout these transitions. Okay, so these are some of the things that are just really, 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 really optimal for gut health. And I just wanted to bring you guys that and share that with you guys. So you guys be blessed. Yeah, man. I'm out.